I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person or selling a single product. I know that sounds crazy, but I'll explain exactly how this works and where my big, massive mistake was. So, misunderstanding number one. When I was introduced to this, I was told it was a health and wellness company with amazing organic products that are very inexpensive. My reaction was, great, just what the world needs. Another health and wellness company, not. And the very last thing I want to do is slog a bunch of health and wellness products. I mean, that is not my cup of tea. Thank you very much. Misunderstanding number two. I watched a couple of videos online explaining the compensation plan. These videos were old and out of date. It's a problem with watching stuff online, right? Based on incomplete, outdated information, I didn't understand the business model. And so I said a big fat no. So if this isn't a health and wellness company, what is it? And this is super important. It's a membership or buyers club company. Think Costco, Sam's Club, or Amazon Prime. So did you know, interesting fact, Costco makes money through membership dues and a small percentage comes from its merchandise. While Costco generates money from selling its wholesale products, most of its revenue is earned through the membership dues of its customers. And if we look at Amazon Prime membership statistics, Amazon has over 200 million Prime members. Amazon Prime is available in 22 countries as of October 2021. Amazon registers $25.21 billion in annual revenue from Prime subscription fees. That's massive. So, do Costco or Amazon require you to purchase a minimum amount of product every month? No. You go to Costco or Amazon and buy what you want when you want. Well, it's the same thing with LiveGood. LiveGood sells super high quality organic health and wellness products. These products are sold at wholesale to the membership, just like Costco. As the membership grows, so will the product lines. Remember when Amazon only sold books? So it is a mistake to think of this as just another health and wellness company, okay? So how does the company make money and pay affiliates? From the membership fees, okay? Just like Costco. So this company is not your traditional network or affiliate marketing style company. This company is shifting paradigms in both the network marketing and affiliate marketing space, because every affiliate can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without selling anything or without recruiting anyone and without any required monthly auto ship. Is that a breath of fresh air or what? And this is just one way of making money as an affiliate. Your earning potential is unlimited if you decide to build a team, which you do not have to do at all. So how much does it cost to be a member or affiliate? There's a one-time lifetime fee of $40 one time, plus a monthly membership fee of $9.95. How are those fees used to pay commissions? Well, there are 6 ways to earn income. Number 1 is weekly fast start commissions. So for each person you refer to LiveGood who becomes a member and affiliate for the $49.95, LiveGood will reward you a $25 commission paid out the very next week. Plus, if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will they be rewarded, but you will also receive additional bonus commissions up to 10 levels. So if you're unranked, that means you haven't recruited anybody at all. You'll get that 50% fast start bonus. When you get to bronze, you'll get the 50% fast start bonus on all the people you bring in, and you'll get a 10% fast start bonus on the people your level 2 people. If you're silver, you can see it's 50, 10, 5, and 5, up to level 4, gold, 50, 10, 5, 5, 3, 2, platinum, and diamond. So it's not just one level of fast start commissions. Then there are matrix commissions. Now, I love forced matrix plans. And to me, this is one of this is where you can make that money without ever recruiting anyone. So when you lock in your position in LiveGood, you're given your own business center in our fast filling 2x15 matrix. As more people join LiveGood every week, they're placed in the matrix under everyone who's already in there, following their enroller. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. And I'll show you that in just a bit. So if you're unranked, again, you haven't recruited anybody, right? You'll get paid through level 12 in the force matrix. This is where that $2,047.50 comes in. If you start recruiting, building a team, you get to bronze, you'll make up to $4,095.50 a month in the matrix. You can see silver's the same. When you get to gold, it goes up to $8,191.50. Platinum, same, and diamond up to $16,383.50. Okay, so how does this force matrix work? So let's say this is you sign up today. And meanwhile, I'm signing up a whole bunch of other people. And let's say you never sign up anyone, okay? It's a 2x15 matrix. So the first level, you're going to have 2 people. So let's say you sign up, and right after you sign up, 2 other people who are on this call sign up. So the green are the people that I sign up direct to me, okay? So one of those people is going to go here, another one's going to go here. That's your first level. And then your second level, let's say the next person who comes in, I sign up. And then the next person who comes in, Trevor, who's my upline, signs up and they go underneath you. Then I sign somebody else up and they go underneath you. Then Tom, who's somewhere in the upline, signs somebody up and they end up underneath you in the force matrix. Then Curry, who's above Trevor on our team, signs somebody up and they're going to go in level 3. So it just keeps going, level 1, level 2. So level 1 will fill up with 2, then level 2 will fill up with 4, level 3 will fill up with 8, level 4 will fill up with 16, then 32, then 64. And if you don't recruit anybody, your forced matrix is just going to fill up in order as it comes up, as other people above you in the business recruit people. Okay, it's very powerful. So how quickly can the force matrix grow? Great question. Well, Teresa, who's on this call, signed up 3 days ago and already has 38 people in her force matrix. Now, that was as of last night, so I know she's got more as of this morning. But she's earning 25 cents per person per month from everyone in her force matrix. Even if there'll be people in her force matrix who she doesn't know at all. She hasn't recruited them. She's never heard of them. She will never know them, but she'll be making money off them. Okay, so right now, this means in just 3 days, Teresa's just about covering her monthly membership fee of $9.95 because 38 people times 25 cents is $9.50. And I can pretty much guarantee you already this morning, she's over the $9.95. Okay, let's look at another example. Eric also signed up 3 days ago, but Eric signed up before Teresa did. And he already has 75 people in his force matrix. Now, again, that was as of last night, which means in just 3 days, he's earning $18.75 per month from the force matrix. So 75 people times 25 cents per person is $18.75. Now, Eric has only shared this with one person, yet he has 75 people in his matrix. Can you see how powerful this is? I love force matrix because you literally don't have to do anything. Eric is unranked. Now, Teresa has recruited people. So Teresa, I believe, is already a silver, but Eric is unranked and he's already making back his monthly fee, double his monthly fee, pretty much, in the force matrix in 3 days, guys, in just 3 days. So you can imagine what's going to happen by the end of this month, how big Eric's force matrix will be and Teresa's will be. So how does the 2x15 force matrix work? Okay, so level 1, there are 2 affiliates, and you're going to get paid 25 cents per person. That's 50 cents a month from level 1. Level 2, 4. Okay, so you're going to get 25 times 4 or $1. So now that's a total of $1.50. Level 3, there are going to be 8 people in the force matrix underneath you as it fills up. So that's going to be, again, 25 times 8 or $2. So now we've got 50 plus $1 plus $2 is $3.50. And then it goes 16, 32, 24, 128, 256. You can see all the way down to level 15. Okay. And when you're unranked, that means you haven't recruited anybody, you get paid through level 12. And here's that $2,047.50. When you get to bronze and silver, you get paid through level 13. When you get to gold and platinum, you get paid through level 14. So now we're up to the $8,191.50, and then diamond 16,000. Okay. But the force matrix is just one way. It's a great way if you're not going to build the business, but it's just one of the 6 ways in which you can get paid. And honestly, it's not the most powerful way. So let's talk about matching bonuses, because this is the most powerful part of the comp plan. And it almost always is, no matter what business you're in. So as huge as the fast start commissions and matrix bonuses are, our matching bonuses are even bigger. So on top of the $2,047.50, or up to $16,383.50 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone you enroll, and a percentage everyone those people enroll 5 enrollment generations deep, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. So again, this is crazy powerful. Okay, so you're going to get 50% check match of everyone who's direct to you. So let's say I've got somebody, let's say Teresa's building, let's say Teresa's making $6,000 a month. I'm going to get 50% check match. I'm going to get $3,000 a month. Hello? Because Teresa's working the business, I'm going to get a 50% check match. That would be right here. Okay. Now I've already reached gold. So I'm also going to get a 10% check match on anybody that Teresa has brought in. So let's say Teresa brings in Steve, and Steve makes is making $6,000 a month. Well, I'm going to get 10% of that. I'm going to get $600 on Steve, right? And then let's say now Steve brings somebody in, and Steve brings Tom in, and Tom is making $3,000 a month. I'm going to get paid 5% on Tom. So I'm going to get $150 on Tom. Okay. And then as you go further down, you'll see the 2nd generation, 3rd generation, 4th generation, 5th generation. It's crazy powerful check matching is. Okay. There are also retail commissions. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, because those of us who are members are buying the product at wholesale. If you have retail customers, you can earn 50% on the difference between the member price and the retail price. And there are different percentages here. Most people are not going to spend a ton of time trying to get retail customers. There's also an influencer bonus. This is the 5th way we get paid. For those people who just, they're influencers on social media, and they just want to get out there and they want to tell the world about this amazing organic health and wellness products that we have. And if they sell a bunch of product, they can get additional commissions on that. Don't think we have a lot of influencers here. And then the 6th way we get paid is the diamond bonus pool. So when you reach the diamond level in the affiliate, all the diamonds, all the people that are ranked at the diamond level split 2% of the company revenues. Okay. So if you want to be involved in a company that's changing the paradigm of how network marketing works, and if you want to be in a company that has unlimited income potential, which, let's be honest, they almost all do, but where 100% of affiliates make money. For me, This is the no-brainer part, guys. This is the absolute no-brainer. This is the power of the 2x15 force matrix. If you are patient and you just sit and do nothing except buy your initial membership with that one-time lifetime fee of $40 and then pay $10 a month, you will make money. You can earn up to that. There it is again, that $2,047.50 per month. Hello, sign me up for that. Like, couldn't we all? That would be huge. An additional $2,000 a month for doing nothing. So you can make that without selling a thing or without recruiting anyone. And there's no expensive monthly auto ship. And this is an opportunity that is a total no-brainer. Now, guys, if 98% of you who are on this call today have not already signed up or do sign up, I've screwed up big time. Somehow or other, I have not explained this to you, because to me, like, why would you not do this? It's guaranteed income, disclaimer, but that's the way I see it. Okay. So if you're interested in that, then LiveGood is for you. So get back to the person who invited you to sign up with them.